I visited Ceramic Tiles Factory in Pakistan situated at Ghazi Road and see what happened. The process of ceramic tiles polishing starts from cutting big sheets precisely in the required ratios. The skilled workers were doing their job amazingly well. Oh, I was loving this process so much. Not only the sounds were amazing, but also it was visually pleasant. Particularly, I liked the water. It was feeling so soothing to me. Water is used to avoid any kind of overheating and burning. Though I wanted to see this process for hours. But then I moved inside to see the rest of the process, that was polishing of ceramic tiles. When I entered into the main room, I saw there were two processes going on. Two kinds of ceramic tiles were being polished. I will show you side by side. अच्छा अच्छा. To my great surprise, these sounds are even more appealing to me. So I thought this is a great opportunity to capture some sounds and, and the entire process in detail for my sounds channel. I will put the link in the description if you want to enjoy these sounds and the whole process in detail. Just look at the beauty of this water. Though I was also thinking huge amount of water is being wasted here. Maybe they recycle it or not. Anyway, as I was standing close to the machine, so I was also enjoying the water drops. So heavy to move. Due to the heaviness of tiles, wheels are being used, but still it's no fun to transport them and put it on the table. For this video, special thanks to Mr. Usman of Usman and Usama Traders. Isn't the process so fascinating? Setting up of machine. Applying the polish. Scrubbing to make it even more beautiful. I also tried to help these workers and it felt so good. And now here the other tile is being polished. जोर से आएंगे सीटें. Now see its final shape, how shiny and beautiful it becomes. Though apparently the machines were working, but I strongly felt that human hard work and skill is the basic thing that makes all the difference in the world. Be happy. Till next time. If you think these are the perfect sounds to help you sleep or getting relaxed, you can log on to Sounds channel for detailed video on that. See you soon with my next video. Till then, bye bye.